Hello brosies, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I've just harvest some. This is only just some. This is actually my third time I harvested the same amount last week and also this week and also today, Friday. And look at that. Look at that. Look at that. How much I've got here. Plenty of them. Maybe hundreds of them. Look at that. This is what you call dwarf calamansi. You see, there's plenty of them. They're all grown up. Yeah, and we have more coming. Little ones are coming. Look at that. Those are little ones coming. There's plenty of them. It's now the season of calamansi, which is January, February, and March. Sometimes they grow up from December. Look at that. Very small, very tiny, but lot of okay. Look at that. How much I've got here? I don't know how much I got here. Maybe 60 pieces or 100. I don't know. Okay. If you don't want to miss my video, make sure to ring that bell.
Say what?